All right, good morning. I'm out here with my sister. Her and her husband are building a house, and so the people with the bulldozer are coming to clear off the land. I'm at my grandparents' house right now across the street, but I'm just gonna show you a little bit. Okay, I think we're about to get hit actually. Not really sure. We might have to. It's a mess down here right now, but things are moving. They've already surveyed the land. They know how much land to clear off, and so hopefully it'll be fast paced from here on out, unless my sister hasn't gotten her house plans yet. I'm not sure about that, but yeah. Hey, hi, how are you? I don't think I started this vlog off at all. So me and Marley are out today. We have a couple of errands to run, and right now we're at Soul Bowls, and we're just gonna try to get a little breakfast, well, lunch. It is 12 o'clock right now, and we haven't had anything to eat. Well, I think she had some chips or something back in the bag on the way over here, but we really haven't had any food to eat. So we're gonna go here and eat real quick, and then take you along like the other errands that we have to do. I think she has to send off her package today to her giveaway winner, which won a month ago now, because the winner won in April and we're in March. Hold on. The winner won in March and we're in April now. That was backwards, I don't know. Okay, so I need to go eat. We're gonna go ahead and get something to eat right now.
But you know it's true now.
Okay, so just came out of Soul Bowls, and I have like blueberries all in my teeth. So I have to keep my mask on because I can't get it to come out. But it was really good. We're gonna come back, I think, before we go home. They close at 6 today. So then we're gonna get another one to take home, and possibly a popsicle, I'm not sure. But I think that was good for breakfast. That was pretty good. I feel like I'm full, like I'm satisfied. And it took away a sweet craving, so I don't even want to mess up and have something that I'm not supposed to have. So we definitely have to come back again too. All right, let's go. Okay, our next stop is at Lowe's, but I just need to return something. We remodeled our bathroom, and then something that I bought for the bathroom we already had. Okay, we are go today, getting this done. We gotta go on Ulta real quick because I want to find like a twisting gel or some type of thing for mine and Marley's hair.
Yeah, but you know it's true now.
Oh, we got it. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
I'm crazy for you. Yeah.
Okay, so these are the two that I decided to get. I watched a YouTube video this morning, and Whitney kind of explained like the process and a little bit more. She said today on her video that her prices are about to go up. And we both just ate a salad at Panera, and I kind of want something for the bakery, but I'm not supposed to have bread, so I'm trying to do good. Can't even have coffee, so I think we're gonna leave before I mess up. You ready to go? Okay. I just pulled this out of a drawer. See how dusty it is? It's been up for a long time, but it is my book, my little notebook that I always write down my notes for my podcast, and I just started back. Excuse the handwriting. This is just like where I jot down everything, so whenever I'm recording, I can have something to refer back to. So I think I'm going to go ahead and record this podcast and have it up for tomorrow. I just uploaded a YouTube video, and I just sat down and started doing this after I looked over everything in my calendar, and I actually am in my head on some things. So I had a few minutes to jot some stuff down for a podcast. It'll be very short, as you can see, especially when you're talking. Like, though, it might take up like a page and a half, but when I actually talk, it's probably not even gonna be 10 minutes. So just to ease my way back into stuff, this is what I'm gonna be doing as my first episode. So make sure you give it a listen if you have time. It should be up Monday, so that'd be tomorrow, the 4th.
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna roll the dice. I'm just another one of the nice guys. Open up your clouds to blue skies. It feels right. Brown eyes. Something just tells me that they don't lie. Looking for a girl that's my ride or die. Think you'd be the one, don't know why. Just feels right. Oh, I got so many things to say to you. I wanna be the one to make a move. And if you can't decide, I can change your mind. I feel some new kind of motion. Your call, where are we going? My heart's in knots and ties. Hope you can feel my vibe. Brown eyes, wanna take a ride, wanna roll the dice. I'm not just another one of the nice guys.
I just got my glasses. Why are they in an orange case? Okay, so we ate at this place called Juice today, and I'm a little bit unhappy because I spent like $30 on this food and it was just not good. No disrespect to the place, but I just would not be eating there again. I was so upset that I wasted my money yesterday on that acai bowl from the other place that I went to. So I came back to Mobile and got it done right. And I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited. Bananas, blueberries, strawberries, honey, and hemp granola. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this, and this is gonna be my breakfast and my lunch.
Open up your clouds to blue skies. It feels right. Brown eyes. Something just tells me that they don't lie. Looking for a girl that's my ride or die. Think you'd be the one, don't know why. Just feels right. Oh, you say no things I can't resist. I plead and beg, just one more kiss.
Alright, so I just got the sweet bourbon, and then I got one of the honey chipotle, and then I also got 3 ounces of the just regular salmon. I'm ordering some samples today of the stickers that I told you guys, I think last week about. So this is what it looks like, just in case you don't remember what it looks like. I'll insert a clip right here. And so I'll leave a code in the description box just in case you want to try Sticker Mule out. But this is who I use for the majority of my stickers, and I like them, so this is who I use. And hopefully they'll be in probably like a week or 2 before I get these back. So I haven't been feeling good. I just was like, I'm gonna come watch Bridgerton a little bit more, and then Queen of the South is back on. So I think I'm gonna have to give Bridgerton a little break tonight because I definitely have to watch this last season, season 5. So I think I'm gonna fall asleep, playing on my iPad because I do have some more work to get done, and watching this.
But you know it's true. No.